There's some cracking old cars over here. There's my sort of era when I was a teenager. Cavalier SRI. These are one of the cars that everybody wanted when we were younger. Collectors now. Mark II Golf, is that? Sorry. Another Golf. Oh, is that the turbo? Oh, the VR6 2.8. Wow, what an engine. How clean is that? Wow. Yeah, old Bentley. Must be Sam's, that one. Oh, what we got here? Escort. Is it an RS? Yes. RS Turbo. Everybody had that, or wanted them at least. Wow. Recaro interior. Wow. Rolls Royce. D-Plate, what was that? 1985? Gosh, some amazing cars here. Now the Mercedes 380 SL. Y-Reg XY, that's 1982. There's a 1979 Cortina. That Cortina 2-litre sport gear. Right. Oh, and a Sierra RS Cosworth. Oh no, it's the RS5. Yeah, RS500 Cosworth. Wow, some cracking cars here. Really is. Sorry. These, if I remember, are rear-wheel drive cars. Now the Cortina was. I tell you, if you